Alright, we're going to do our first video on Dweezle here. Dweezle is a young 6 to 7 month old male, not yet neutered, who certainly will be neutered this week, we hope. Though he's got a little bit of a sniffle, which looks like it could be the calicivirus. That's a very common virus that we see in rescue kitties. And if so, that may delay his neuter a little bit. We'll see. He's got a little bit of sneezing of a few blood droplets. And again, not an uncommon thing by any means. We see that quite a bit. Very friendly, very affectionate, very outgoing. Typical male flame. They're wonderful. They fit in absolutely anywhere and everywhere. And this guy was a stray and then taken in as with a shelter foster and then came over to us. He does have a mark on his front left foot, which we're culturing to make sure it's not ringworm, and that's something that would delay his going home if it is. Ringworm is a fungus. We see it rarely, thank goodness, because we do take a lot of precautions, but sometimes it comes in, and if that's the case, we'll need to treat for that, and that's a sort of a month-long treatment. So his go-home date is kind of up in the air, but very loving, very friendly, very outgoing young man, and we will get some more information as we get to know him a little better. But meantime, he'll be in the isolation room while we get him cleared up from any germs or bugaboos that he brought in with him. Lovely, lovely cat though. Great, active, energetic, playful, wonderful young male. Very clearly very well socialized. So great choice. No limitations on this guy's placement. Although if it is ringworm, we do suggest we do suggest some precautions with placement because that's just a tough thing to be 100% clear with, and we can talk more about that. Those precautions, though, typically are no immune compromised people, no small children, not with small kittens, not with anybody immune system compromised. We like to not place cats that have had ringworm in those homes because it does affect immune systems. So overall, it's not a big deal. We see it a lot. Well, we try not to see it a lot, but it is a lot in the shelter population. But we'll just have to see. It'll be about 5 to 7 days before we know if that's what that is. But great cat, purring away. Very friendly, lovely, lovely personality.